Prepping. For some it might conjure images of bunkers, canned food, and doomsday scenarios. But here's the truth. Prepping is so much more than just being ready for the worst-case scenario. It's about creating a life that's secure, resourceful, and even joyful in ways you might never expect. What if I told you that prepping can save you money, strengthen your community, and even improve your health? Yes, prepping isn't just about emergencies, it's a lifestyle with benefits that ripple through every part of your life. In this video, we're diving into 10 surprising benefits of prepping you probably never thought of. By the end of this video, you'll see how prepping can transform not only how you approach disasters but also how you live every day. Let's jump in. Benefit 1. Prepping saves you money. Most people assume prepping is expensive. Images of buying tons of gear and supplies come to mind. But the truth is, prepping can actually save you money in ways you might not expect. It starts with how you approach your purchases. Prepping encourages buying in bulk, which means you're paying less per unit for items like rice, beans, pasta, and canned goods. For example, a 25-pound bag of rice costs significantly less per pound than buying smaller portions over time. By stocking up on essentials when prices are low, you're essentially locking in today's costs, protecting yourself from inflation down the line. And it's not just food. Prepping helps you invest in reusable items like water filtration systems, solar-powered devices, or rechargeable batteries. Yes, the upfront costs might seem high, but these items eliminate recurring expenses. A good water filter, for instance, can save you hundreds over time compared to buying bottled water. Another huge financial perk, avoiding the costs of panic buying. Think back to the beginning of the pandemic. People were paying ridiculous prices for toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and even canned goods. When you're prepared, you don't have to pay those inflated prices or compete for limited supplies. Prepping also reduces waste. By managing your inventory and rotating supplies, you avoid throwing away expired food. Every dollar saved adds up, proving that prepping isn't just about security, it's about building financial stability while cutting everyday costs. Benefit 2. It reduces food waste. Did you know the average household throws away over $1,500 worth of food every year? That's like taking a chunk of your paycheck and tossing it directly into the trash. Prepping, however, teaches you how to manage food smarter and reduce waste dramatically. Here's how it works. Preppers use a system called first in, first out. This means the oldest items in your stockpile are used first, while new purchases are placed at the back. This rotation method ensures that nothing expires or goes bad before you use it. For example, if you've stocked up on canned vegetables or dried pasta, you're not just letting them sit on a shelf indefinitely. You're incorporating them into your everyday meals while replenishing your stock during grocery trips. Prepping also encourages you to preserve fresh food. Let's say you find a great deal on fruits or vegetables. Instead of letting them spoil in the fridge, you can dehydrate, can, or freeze them for later use. Imagine turning a surplus of apples into dried snacks or preserving garden tomatoes for winter sauces. These techniques not only extend the life of your food but also save you money by making the most of every dollar spent on groceries. By reducing food waste, prepping doesn't just save money, it creates a sense of satisfaction. You're maximizing your resources, cutting down on waste, and ensuring your household is always stocked and ready. Benefit 3. Prepping builds community. When you think about prepping, it's easy to picture it as a solo activity. Stocking shelves, gathering supplies, and learning survival skills on your own. But one of the most surprising benefits of prepping is how it builds community. As you begin your prepping journey, you'll naturally find yourself connecting with like-minded people. Whether it's through local prepper groups, online forums, or even neighbors, you'll discover a network of individuals who share tips, resources, and ideas. These connections aren't just about trading advice, they're about building relationships that can be life-saving in emergencies. Imagine a severe storm hits your area. If you've developed a prepping community, you're not facing it alone. Maybe a neighbor has extra firewood while you have a surplus of bottled water. By sharing and supporting one another, you create a safety net that benefits everyone. Prepping also opens doors to community projects like gardening, food preservation workshops, or even disaster preparedness training. These activities foster collaboration and strengthen ties within your neighborhood. And in a crisis, having a network of people to rely on, whether for resources, emotional support, or teamwork, can make all the difference. Prepping isn't just about individual survival, it's about creating a resilient, connected community where everyone can thrive together. Benefit 4. It encourages sustainable living. One of the most unexpected perks of prepping is how it naturally encourages a more sustainable lifestyle. Preppers focus on self-sufficiency, which often means reducing reliance on disposable products and minimizing waste. Over time, these habits make your household greener and more efficient. For example, many preppers grow their own food. Whether it's a small backyard garden or even a few pots on a balcony, growing vegetables, herbs, or fruits cuts down on grocery trips and the environmental impact of food transportation. Plus, it ensures you have access to fresh, organic produce year-round. Preppers also invest in renewable energy sources like solar panels, solar-powered generators, and rechargeable batteries. These items aren't just practical in an emergency, they also reduce your monthly utility bills and lessen your dependence on traditional energy sources. And then there's the focus on durable, reusable items. Instead of relying on single-use plastic or disposable products, preppers choose long-lasting alternatives like water filtration systems, cloth towels, and high-quality tools. This reduces waste and saves money in the long run. By prepping, you're not just preparing for emergencies, you're creating a lifestyle that's kinder to the environment, more cost-effective, and deeply satisfying. It's a win for your family and for the planet. Benefit 5. It strengthens your family bond. Prepping isn't just about gathering supplies, it's a unique opportunity to bring your family closer together. When you involve your loved ones in prepping, everyone works toward a common goal, fostering teamwork and communication in the process. Take creating an emergency plan, for example. Sitting down together to discuss roles and responsibilities, who grabs the first aid kit, who checks the pantry inventory, gives everyone a sense of purpose and inclusion. These discussions often highlight the importance of collaboration, teaching kids and adults alike that preparing for the unexpected is a team effort. Prepping also creates opportunities for quality time. Organizing supplies, practicing basic skills like fire building or first aid, or even starting a family garden, becomes a shared activity that strengthens your bond. For kids, it's not only fun, but also a valuable learning experience. They gain practical knowledge and build confidence in their ability to contribute to the family's safety and well-being. And during a crisis, having a solid plan in place reduces stress and ensures everyone knows what to do. This sense of security helps your family stay calm and connected in challenging situations. Prepping isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving together as a family. Benefit 6. It improves your health. Prepping can do wonders for your physical and mental health, even in ways you might not expect. When you start prepping, you naturally become more intentional about what you're storing and consuming. Instead of relying on heavily processed or junk foods, you focus on stocking nutritious staples like beans, oats, rice, and canned vegetables. These healthier options not only last longer, but also improve your family's overall diet. Many preppers also grow their own food. Gardening isn't just great for your wallet, it's great for your body. Spending time outdoors, tending to plants, and harvesting fresh produce keeps you active and provides a steady supply of organic fruits and vegetables. Prepping also encourages learning practical skills that improve health. For instance, understanding how to purify water ensures you have access to clean drinking water during emergencies, while learning first aid helps you handle minor injuries without needing a doctor. And let's not forget the mental health benefits. Knowing you're prepared for life's uncertainties reduces anxiety and stress, giving you peace of mind. That emotional clarity doesn't just help in emergencies, it positively impacts your daily life, improving focus, sleep, and overall well-being. Prepping isn't just about readiness, it's about living healthier, both physically and mentally. Benefit 7. It gives you skills that last a lifetime. Prepping isn't just about stockpiling supplies, it's about building a skill set that can benefit you for the rest of your life. These skills go far beyond emergencies. They're tools that make you more resourceful, independent, and confident in your everyday life. For example, learning how to preserve food through canning, dehydrating, or freezing ensures nothing goes to waste and gives you a steady supply of meals for any situation. Skills like purifying water, starting a fire, or cooking without electricity might sound survival-specific, but they can also save you money and keep your household running smoothly in everyday scenarios. Prepping also teaches practical repair and maintenance skills. Knowing how to fix a leaking faucet, sew torn clothing, or maintain tools saves money and reduces reliance on costly services. These are skills you can pass down to future generations, creating a legacy of independence. Perhaps the most valuable skill prepping gives you is problem solving. By planning for potential challenges, you develop the ability to think critically and adapt quickly, traits that serve you well in emergencies and daily life alike. Prepping isn't just about supplies, it's about becoming capable and resilient in ways that last a lifetime. Benefit 8. It reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most underrated benefits of prepping is the peace of mind it brings. Let's face it, life is unpredictable. Natural disasters, economic downturns, or even unexpected car repairs can throw your life into chaos. But when you're prepared, you eliminate a lot of the stress and anxiety that comes with uncertainty. Knowing you have enough food, water, and supplies to get through an emergency helps you stay calm even in the most challenging situations. You're not worrying about where your next meal will come from or how you'll stay warm during a storm. You've already taken care of it. This sense of control doesn't just help during crises, it improves your everyday life. You're less likely to feel overwhelmed by what-if scenarios because you know you have a plan. That mental clarity allows you to focus on what really matters, whether it's spending time with your family or tackling your goals. Prepping is like having an insurance policy for your peace of mind. It keeps you focused, calm, and confident no matter what comes your way. And let's be honest, that's a benefit you can't put a price on. Benefit 9. It teaches you to be financially smart. Prepping isn't just about survival, it's about becoming financially savvy. When you start prepping, you naturally develop habits that make you better with money. For example, building a stockpile teaches you how to budget, prioritize, and plan ahead. Instead of buying what you need on impulse, you start watching for sales, bulk buying deals, and discounts. Prepping also encourages you to avoid waste. By rotating your stockpile and using what you store, you're making the most of every dollar spent on groceries. And because you're prepared, you don't have to rely on expensive last-minute purchases during emergencies. Think about how much people overpaid for essentials during the early days of the pandemic. By prepping, you avoid these inflated costs entirely. Prepping also acts as a financial safety net. Let's say you lose your job or face an unexpected medical expense. Having a stockpile of food and supplies means you have one less thing to worry about, freeing up your resources to handle other challenges. It's not just about being ready for emergencies, it's about creating a lifestyle of financial resilience. Benefit 10. It empowers you. At its core, prepping is about taking control of your life and your future. Instead of feeling helpless in the face of unexpected challenges, prepping empowers you to face them head-on with confidence and capability. Think about it. When you're prepared, you're not just reacting to crises, you're proactively managing them. Whether it's having enough food to get through a storm, knowing how to purify water, or being able to fix something that's broken, prepping gives you the tools and knowledge to handle life's uncertainties with ease. This empowerment doesn't just apply to emergencies. Prepping teaches you to be independent, resourceful, and self-reliant in all areas of your life. It changes your mindset. You stop relying on external systems and start building your own resilience. That confidence spills over into your daily decisions, helping you feel more secure and in control. Prepping isn't about fear, it's about freedom. Freedom from panic, from scarcity, and from uncertainty. It's about knowing that no matter what happens, you're ready, not just to survive but to thrive. It's a lifestyle that saves money, reduces waste, strengthens relationships, and empowers you in ways you never imagined. So whether you're just starting your prepping journey or looking to take it to the next level, remember this: every step you take brings you closer to a more secure, resilient, and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. What surprising benefits of prepping have you experienced? Let's start a conversation and build a community of empowered, prepared individuals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.